I went on the site and met some of the agitators and some of the leaders over there. I met to the Belsa village Panch Sri Ashok Soja, then Sarpanch Maria, and one more person called Oliville. The thing is that I told them that the railways are conducting the work or doing the work in the property of the railways as per the survey plan prepared. If any of them are having a claim on the property of the railway, they should produce the survey plan or the survey records of their claim on the railway project or the railway land. None of them appear before me with the documents pertaining to their claim on the property of the railways. Not only this, if I have already told them and the railway officials has already conveyed them that if there is a SS or traditional SS which is there existing, which will be maintained.